Bharat Mata ki Jaya. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sarat C, coming from Pulipra Vainashala, Kallara, Nedumingada, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, South India. Welcome to Sarat C Aviation and Rail Knowledge Channel, your all-in-one destination for aviation updates, railway knowledge, simulation reviews, and now, special educational entertainment sessions. Please support us by liking, sharing, subscribing, following, enabling the bell icon, and hyping this channel so you never miss upcoming videos. Today, we enter the world of English communication online free tuition syllabus, a complete beginner to advanced class tutorial prepared for entertainment plus learning. Whether you are a student, professional, traveler, or job seeker, strong English communication can open doors worldwide. This class is designed in an international standard seminar style so you can follow it step by step like a guided tuition session. 1. Introduction to English communication. English communication is the art of transferring thoughts, ideas, emotions, or information clearly and effectively in the English language. It is not only about vocabulary, it's about pronunciation, grammar, body language, tone, and cultural understanding. Communication is a two-way process, sending and receiving messages. Think of communication like a railway system. Your thoughts are the trains, your vocabulary is the track, and your listener is the destination. If the track is broken, poor grammar, or the train is delayed, unclear pronunciation, the message won't reach the right station, listener's mind, on time. 2. Types of English communication. In our syllabus, we will cover the 4 pillars of communication. 1. Reading, understanding written text. 2. Writing, expressing thoughts in a structured manner. 3. Listening, receiving and processing spoken words. 4. Speaking, delivering your ideas clearly and confidently. 3. English communication syllabus outline. This online tuition covers the following topics in detail. Part A. Basic foundations. Alphabet and pronunciation rules, learning sounds, phonetics, and common mistakes. Basic grammar, nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions. Sentence structure, subject plus verb plus object basics. Common everyday phrases, greetings, introductions, polite requests. Part B. Intermediate skills. Tenses, past, present, and future with examples. Question formation, WH, questions and yes/no questions. Active and passive voice, changing focus in sentences. Vocabulary expansion, learning 5 new words daily. Part C. Advanced communication. Idioms and phrasal verbs, adding natural flow to speech. Professional communication, email writing, business meetings, presentations. Debate and discussion skills, structuring arguments and responding politely. Accent neutralization, speaking clearly for an international audience. 4. Practical speaking exercises. Daily mirror practice, speak 5 sentences about your day. Role-play conversations, imagine you are in an airport, hotel, or office. Storytelling, pick a picture and describe it in 5 to 7 sentences. Recording your voice, listen for clarity and mistakes. 5. Body language in communication. Communication is not only words, it's also how you present yourself. Maintain eye contact for confidence. Use hand gestures naturally. Smile to create a friendly atmosphere. Avoid nervous habits like tapping or fidgeting. 6. Listening skills development. Listen to English news channels, podcasts, and documentaries. Watch English movies with subtitles, then without. Practice active listening, repeat what you hear. 7. Writing skills for effective communication. Start with short diary entries in English. Write emails to friends in English. Follow basic paragraph structure. Introduction, right pointing arrow, details, right pointing arrow, conclusion. Use correct punctuation to avoid confusion. 8. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Wrong tense usage, I am go, right pointing arrow should be, I am going. Translation thinking, avoid direct translation from mother tongue. Overuse of filler words, like, you know. Mispronunciation, learn correct sounds for tricky words. 9. Fun learning techniques. Play word games like Scrabble or crosswords. Use language learning apps for daily practice. Join English speaking clubs online or offline. Practice with friends in a English only day challenge. 10. Final motivation. English communication is like learning to drive a train or fly an aircraft. It needs regular practice, correct guidance, and confidence. Don't fear mistakes, they are your stepping stones to improvement. Thank you for watching. Please support this educational entertainment session by liking, sharing, subscribing, following, hyping the channel, and enabling the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming tutorials. Suggestions and comments are welcome. Tell us which topics you want in the next class. Upcoming videos, coming soon.